I'm Deborah Borchardt, and this is your midday market update. When we look at the indices, all of them are definitely in much higher territory. We're seeing almost a reversal of what we saw last week. The small caps that sold off last week, all of a sudden, market's showing some love for them. And now John Corpina is going to tell us why from Meridian Equity Partners. So John, when I got up this morning, I looked at the news, some stuff out of China. Otherwise, nothing that would tell me, hey, it's time to go out and buy small caps.
Right, and that's exactly what I think everyone was looking for. No news this weekend. If you look at the way the sessions have traded on the previous Fridays, the risk-off trade has come on to play. I think investors feel that over the weekend, some geopolitical news can really shake our markets. So what we've been seeing is that some short-term profit-taking occurs on Friday, and then come back in on Monday. If they feel better about the market, get back in. So the lack of news this weekend about the Ukraine or any real negative news about the Ukraine, I think really is helping this market at this point.
Do you think these deals that we see, like Hillshire buying Pinnacle, nice number, it shows that there's still market appetite amongst the players to do these mergers and acquisitions. Does that help the market feel better?
Absolutely. That's a really good catalyst for investor confidence in the market when they see two companies merging, one buying another to form a company that they think is going to be extremely profitable down the road. You see it also with company buybacks. Those types of headlines really help investors feel a little bit better about our overall economy, because when they see individual companies buying other companies, they have plenty of stock cash on hand to be able to work in an acquisition like this, and it just shows investors that companies are moving in the right direction.
Later this week we have a lot of big retail names reporting their earnings, Macy's, Walmart, etc. Are you guys positioning yourselves for these earnings? Are you feeling good about retail here? Or are you feeling like there's still that weather overhang?
I'm hoping that weather excuse is kind of falling out of play. Considering the nice weather that we had this past weekend, I think investors are forgetting about the snow that we had January through April at some point. But discretionary spending, I think that's where we're going to really see how this is going to help the retail sector. I think we're going to start to see some numbers that are better than what we saw in the past due to weather, but I don't want to hear that weather excuse anymore.
All right, do you hear that, retailers? No more blaming that harsh winter. That's John Corpina from Meridian Equity Partners, and I'm Deborah Borchardt with The Street.